We're about to try out the brand new The Lightning's wireless tattoo supply power box. As you can see, it's got a little antenna right there. The only wire is the RCA cable that goes to the machine. Here's my foot pedal. There's no wire on it. So that makes my workstation totally portable. Flick it on. There we go. Got a little battery, which will last for hours and hours. And like I said, it's just this one wire. The rest is completely portable. I can move around over here, move around over here, move around to the other side of stuff, wherever I want, and I am no longer chained to the wall. So we're trying it out tonight. I will let you know how it turns out. Eventually, this will have a belt clip, and I'll just wear it on my belt right there. But for now, it can just rest on my workstation table and be my ink cap holder. Okay, I'll check back soon.